My name is Dr. Mindy Beck. I'm a naturopathic doctor at Nest Integrative Medicine Spa in Santa Barbara, California. Today I'd like to talk to you about a tapping technique called MFT, or mental field therapy. It really helps for everything from anxiety, depression. I've used it with people who are about to give speeches in front of big groups. But in general, anytime that you feel like you're getting too anxious, it can be very, very helpful to calm the nervous system down. So it is based on Chinese medicine principles, and all of the meridians come through the end of our fingers and on the sides of our hands. So we want to make sure that we're using all 5 fingers and the sides of our hands when we're doing the tapping techniques. A couple things before you do it to know is the harder you tap, actually the more sedative it is. The lighter you tap, the more energizing it can be. So depending upon what time of day it is, use the appropriate amount of strength when you tap. And then second of all, the speed at which you tap, it's also opposite of what you would think. So the faster you tap, the more sedative, and the slower you tap, the more invigorating. Okay? So to get started, you're going to be going on the center line of the top of the head. So the big bump on the back of your top of your head, that's where you want to start. So you start with the thumb of one finger, and then you just put all 5 fingers in front in a line. And it's at the pace of a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And I usually do about 9 or so taps in each area, but you can do more depending upon how you feel. The other thing that's important is that you really want to be making some kind of meditation or some kind of tone when you're doing this. So it's not a silent thing. You can be saying something like, I am calm and peaceful, or really whatever works for you is the best thing. So, and if you're just in the state where you're too anxious and you can't think of anything to really concentrate on, then just hum, okay, with your tongue at the back of your front teeth, okay? And so get started, and I'll just run through it. And what I advise is go ahead and watch it a few times so you get the pattern, and then go back and make it your own. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then right along the brow line, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then turn around, and you want to use the side of your hands, and you're going to go to the ridge of the back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then down the center line of your eye on your cheek. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then on the top jaw. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then I call this my chicken wings. You want to use your thumb and the inside of your hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And this one on the microphone is going to sound a little bit loud, but all 5 fingers together again, and right under the collarbone where that little dip is. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Thank you for joining me today, and please use this anytime you can, but remember, keep both hands on the wheel in the car if you're driving. I've done this when I'm at a stop sign occasionally if there's big traffic. But again, thank you for joining, and enjoy your tapping. Again, I'm Dr. Mindy Beck at Nest Integrative Medicine Spa in Santa Barbara, California. Thank you.